Although active organic matter accounts for 10 to 30% of total soil carbon, it plays a key role in ecosystem functions. It's the primary source of carbon and nutrients available to plants and microorganisms, and sustains most of the biological activity of soils. Slow and passive organic matter accounts for 70 to 90% of total soil carbon, and has a key role in carbon sequestration, because it may be stored in soils from decades to centuries and even millennia. Have you ever thought what would happen if organic matter was totally decomposed? If this occurred, all the carbon stored in soils could be transferred to the atmosphere, causing a huge imbalance and increasing global warming. Now we see more clearly that even if we do not see it, carbon is out there, ubiquitous, in constant flow, and keeping the planetary balance. How is soil carbon related to us? About 90% of our food comes from soil. However, half of agricultural soils are degraded. Our capacity to feed 9.5 billion people by 2050 will depend on our ability to preserve soil fertility, which in turn is dependent of a large extent of soil organic carbon content. Globally, the leading cause of soil carbon loss is the transformation of ecosystems, which has led to a depletion of 1 billion tons of carbon that are released into the atmosphere every year. Consequently, urgent actions are needed to preserve and increase organic carbon by means of sustainable practices commensurate with regional problems. Such efforts must be planned and implemented altogether by users and landowners, scientists, policymakers, and the government. As the great scientist Carl Sagan once said, "We are the way for the cosmos to know itself." Our hazardous existence has equipped us with intelligence to become aware of our footprint on the planet. And it is up to us to avail of this awareness or not.